What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? Hey, man, welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, man, something real light today, something real different today. You already know what time it is. So, doing a review vid. You know what I mean? Like I said, something a little bit different. I know we used to the Gbody and all that good stuff, but you know, sometimes you gotta do something to kind of, you know, promote a little bit different type of business out here. You know what I mean? So, this review video, man, as you can tell from the thumbnail, it's gonna be something on the truck today. And with the truck, man, we're talking about swapping out them lights. So like right now, what we got going on is we got them regular old halogen lights in there. So you know the halogen lights be on that yellow tip. Well, we want to spruce it up a little bit. We need something a little bit more brighter, you know what I mean? A little bit more attractive than them yellow lights, you did. So with that being said, swapped out. You can tell like right now on both ends, you know what I mean? Straight yellow. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see how these perform, and then we're gonna come back to y'all, man, with a swap out. And we're gonna see how they perform, you know what I mean? So with that being said, man, before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, definitely smash that notification bell, so that way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get at it. So you gotta see the kid, man. So yeah. On step ladder. Let me get this thing going. So take the grill up. I gotta take off one. Wait, missing the screw. Like it should be screwed that up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna get that off real quick. That part. So now I'm trying to hit all these little tabs. So yeah, this right here pain in the ass, man. Can't even hold you. So yeah, I kind of like slowly work this thing. So mashing these things down. Slide it out. We got a couple more. So it's this one. This one. Alright, so the other one down there. So now I do some finagling to get that bad boy out. So that should be able to slide this thing out now. So they got you some gloves to go in this thing, man. And notice I'm holding it like this because typically the glove is so you don't get all your natural body oils, you know, all over the LED light surface. So I'm gonna hold it like this and stick it in, because it's kind of hard for me to swap in and out the gloves. But highly recommend, use the gloves that they got you. It's like a soft touch fabric glove, make it a little bit easier. But I do have on gloves on this, and I'm trying to take this stuff apart, you know, so I don't want to get it dirty, all this good jazz you did. So I'm gonna get this in. Oh yeah, y'all see it? That thing bright in the mud. Oh yeah, it look good. Sheesh. Yeah, that's night day. Take it for a little test ride, test run, see what it look like. Looking at it, you know what I mean, driving wise, and y'all, I love it. So they're extremely bright. I don't know if it's because of the height of the truck, but I had a couple people flash me because they're so bright. That could be listed as a con in a way, but technically not. When I had my halogen bulbs in, guess what? People was flashing me then too. So, but these right here, like the depth of view, it's amazing. Look, when I pull up on the back of that truck, like I'm talking about the bulbs. I mean, they shining all up in the back of my man's head. So yeah, I like these. Yeah, these were worth it. These was definitely worth it, man. I went ahead and actually ordered the side mirror lights from the same company, Auxito. And with that being said too, like, I do have a code for y'all, and I'm gonna put that code in this vid right now. And you can use this code, man, to get the discount. Highly recommend these, man. I highly recommend these. I got the headlight bulbs and I got the fog light bulbs. Ordered the side mirror LED switchback. I can't wait for those to get in, and I'm gonna change them up. And I'm gonna also see, man, if they make the roof lights as well, because if they do, I'm gonna order them too. I'm probably not gonna do that myself, but I'll get somebody to put them in. But anywho, man, use this code, you know what I mean? Get these bulbs, highly recommend them, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna just keep it above, man. Like, I'm probably gonna get another pair just to have them on standby. We're gonna see how long these last. They rated to last a nice little time frame. I can't remember exactly what it said, but it's rated ready to land some nice little time frame. So again, man, you know what I mean, that's gonna be this a good vibe. It's a good vibe. But that's gonna be the end of this vid, man, and we out.